Look at that, seriously, look at that, look. Beautiful. Hello everyone, I'm Lorrie and I decide today to make a fluffy slime. And for the fluffy slime we need the glue, what is very important. Without glue we can make a slime, yeah? Because it's gonna be fluffy. I have the shaving foam. Of course we need the slime activator, the borax, and I have some color as well. We're gonna see after if I'm gonna put the color or no, depends. And maybe I'm gonna put some glitters as well, because you know I like the glitters. That's it. Then let's start. Now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put the glue on my bowl, white glue. Lovely. And now I'm gonna put the shaving foam. We start with that much. We see after if I want to put more, if I need to put more. How you been today? We still staying home, doing not too much. Then we want to have nice fun, and we're gonna do nice slime. You can follow me and to see all my videos, you have to subscribe to my channel, give a like to my channel, and I'm waiting for your opinion, for your comments. You can comment below my video and to know your opinion, to know what you think about my videos, about my slime, about how I do it. I need to know, because like this is more fun if we do it together. Now I mix the glue with the shaving foam. Very good. Let's put a little bit more shaving foam. My boyfriend is not gonna be too happy because I use a lot of shaving foam, but that's not very important, isn't it? I just mix it very well to be sure it's gonna be all nice. And now I'm gonna put a little bit color. It's nice to be white as well, but I like the color as well. And I'm gonna put some of this color. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna be too much change because it's not too powerful the color, but yeah, how I tell you, it's not big change. Well, it is a little bit. Look a little bit shiny, I think. I don't know. What you think? Like this, you can tell me your opinion. Like this, you can tell me what you think. If I put color enough, if I put foam enough, if you want me to make a bigger slime, I mean more glue. Lovely. And now I think I'm gonna put slowly. No, I'm gonna put color again. Yeah, I think it's nearly empty, the color. That's not too bad. Yeah, nice. Let's mix it again, because again we have to mix. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. That's so nice, isn't it? Should we put some glitters as well, or the glitters we put later on? Now I'm gonna put the glitters later on. Let me put borax slowly. And mix it again. Super! Super, super, super. That's so nice, isn't it? And this nice color as well, white. I put some color, pastel green, but was not strong enough. Yes, that's nice. Looking nice. Looking nice, and I have fun because I'm talking to you and I know you are here with me, looking how I'm doing slime, laughing how I'm talking, naughty things, crazy things, making my boyfriend angry because I use all his shaving foam. You're gonna have to buy another shaving foam. What I'm gonna use it again for, oh that's nice, gonna use it again for my slime. Gonna try now to do with my hand, but like always I put little bit borax on the ball to can wet my fingers, my hand, and to start play with the slime. That look nice. Seriously, it's really nice. I like it, I love it. You have to do it home as well, and you're gonna see how you feel it on your hand. It's really funny and it's really nice, believe me. Super. Wow, look at that. With my hand a little bit. Then put the ball away. What do you think? Look nice? I'm waiting for your opinion, for your like, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna put a lot of videos for you. We're gonna talk a lot, we're gonna have a lot of fun with the slime, and you need to see all the videos what I make for you with slime and all the funny time what I'm gonna have here. Now let's put some glitters, white glitters. That's really nice. I'm happy with this slime. I have fun playing with this. And this nice feeling on my hand, seriously. This one not coming off. That's fine. What do you think about my slime? Wow. On this video below on the comment, I'm waiting for your opinion, and I'm waiting for you to tell me next time what slime you want me to do and what color. And don't forget about my glitters, because I like the glitters. Then you have to tell me what glitters to do again. Look at that. Look at that. And believe me, because the shavings foam smell nice as well. Yeah. I'm gonna put some more glitters. I'm gonna put purple glitters. Let me find it. Oh, I have different one. Let's make eyes. Nose. And big smile. Looking good, isn't it? And now let's play a little bit to mix them to see what is gonna come on. Oh, lot of teeth now. And then big nose, 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 nose. Then big eyes, 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 eyes. Ooh. Can you hear the noise? Super. Super, 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 super. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. Look at that. That's beautiful. Should we put some red as well? Let me see if I have red glitters. And we're gonna put red as well. I got pink glitters. Yeah, I don't have red glitters, but I got pink glitters. Ay, ay, ay. And I'm gonna put some pink glitters. Super! Super! Now I mix the pink glitter with purple glitter with white glitter, and after I'm gonna show you how it's looking with many glitters on. Then is a white slime. Look at that. Super, 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 super. I like it. Really like it, seriously. You have to do it home and you have to tell me your opinion, because my opinion is today I done really, really nice slime. Now I'm waiting for your opinion. Thank you for watching my videos and see you next time, guys. Look at that, seriously, look at that, look. Beautiful.